Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a fall clean with me. When I get ready to decorate for the holidays, I love to clean first. So crafting is actually my strong suit, but I always feel so much better when I start my decorating session after cleaning my house really well. So you guys are gonna come along with me. We're gonna clean my whole house and I'm gonna do a little bit of fall decorating, but the big thing that I'm getting ready to do is my fall mantle display. So I'm gonna film that and you guys are gonna come along with me and help me do that. So without further ado, let's get to cleaning. To set the mood for our fall cleaning session, we have to light our pumpkin cupcake candle, and also I want to make a pot of coffee to get me some energy going, and to make it feel like fall and give it a little spice, I'm going to add a teaspoon or two of fresh cinnamon just straight into the coffee grounds. I love doing that as fall begins to approach, and I usually love also to add my favorite French vanilla creamer. Comment and let me know if you guys like flavored coffee creamers and what is your favorite flavor. I really want to try some of the new pumpkin spice flavors coming up. And then here's that little Hello Pumpkin mug that I DIY'd. I'll leave that video down below. I just love having a cup of coffee. It really gets me ready. So I'm going to start out with this fall cleaning session in my living room. I am going to go to town decorating that mantle you all see, and so I really want to get my living room really tidied up. I want to clean all the windows, the floors, just get it really nice and tidy, and that way when it comes time to decorate, it'll be easy to clean. I won't have dirt and gunk underneath my decorations. And so let's get started. So on my windows, I'm just using that Method Mint glass cleaner. It's working really nice, getting my windows all nice and clean. And also I'm using that new Pumpkin Spice by Mrs. Meyer's, the all-purpose spray. I want to give my living room a little cozy fall feeling, so I'm going to go ahead and do my window sills with that. And boy, I'll tell you what, I have a lot of windows in this room. in my kitchen and we're just gonna get things all tidied up. It just feels so good to get my dishwasher unloaded, to get my sink cleaned out, my counter sprayed down, floors mopped. It just makes everything feel nice and clean. And this is the Honeysuckle scent I'm using. I've used this all summer long and I love it. Grove Collaborative has the most amazing cleaning products. They're not expensive and they have the best customer service, you guys. I'm telling you, these cleaning products are a game changer for me, especially because I get headaches really easy, and I just love how non-toxic they are and how delicious they make my house smell. I never thought that anything could make me look forward to cleaning, but just getting these deliveries in the mail and having these cute cleaning products just really makes me want to clean more. Now I'm just going to go in with the Method Mint Cleaner. It's a glass cleaner, but I actually use it on my refrigerator. They also make a stainless steel cleaner, but I love this just to get the fingerprints off and to tidy up my fridge. I don't clean this every time I clean the kitchen. I probably should, but today I cleaned it, and again, it just makes me feel really good to get everything nice and tidied up. Now moving into my dining room, I'm just going to freshen it up in here with the Honeysuckle Room Freshener by Mrs. Meyer's. It makes everything smell so delicious. I love going room to room and just giving it a little spritz, and it just makes everything smell so yummy. I just love these room fresheners. And I'm cleaning my table with the Method Honeycrisp Apple. This is another one of my summertime favorites. I've gone through several bottles of it. I just really love it. I even sometimes spritz it on my floor. It's a great all-purpose cleaner, and it kind of smells like the strawberry shortcake dolls from the 90s that I used to have. Do you guys remember those? Comment and let me know if you guys ever played with those. But the strawberry shortcake dolls were my favorite, and I loved their hair. They always had this really yummy smelling hair, and that's what that Honeycrisp Apple makes me think of. So on my dining room table too, I also did do some fall decorating. You guys have probably seen me do some of these DIYs with the little glam sunflowers that are in this white picture, and also the cute pink pumpkin. I'm going to link all of my fall DIYs down below. I know you guys have been really loving these, and thank you all so much for your kind comments. Your inspiration inspires me, and I'm definitely going to keep those DIYs coming for you guys. So this is my little crafting area. You guys have probably seen me do some of my fall DIYs. When you see that white table, this is exactly where I'm at. I love having this large white table. I can put on a show and just craft away, and it's also right at table height, and so that makes it really convenient for me. I have problems sitting for a long time because of some degeneration in my back, so this table really helps me a lot. So there's those cute pastel pumpkins, and then this mirror I also DIY'd. I just dry brush painted this with some white paint, and also the hutch below I also painted with some white paint. I'll link that video below as well. I painted that with my niece. She was such a good little helper for this project. And then now we're headed into my bathroom. I love using the Method Mint toilet cleaner, and I also use the Mrs. Meyer's tub and tile cleaner. It smells really nice, really fresh, and it gets my tub super duper clean. For the bedrooms, I really didn't do any deep cleaning in these. I just pretty much made the beds and tidied everything up and got all the laundry in the washer. This is my daughter's bedroom. We just painted these walls recently, and we're completely loving how it's coming out. And normally she would make her own bed, but she was away at summer camp, so I went ahead and tidied it up for her. Check it out, you guys. Pumpkin scent spice is in my kitchen. I'm so excited. It smells so good. So thank you all so much for helping me get this house tidied up, and next we are going to be doing some crafting. I have tons more DIY plans. Actually, I have my whole dining room table now after I've gotten my house entirely spick and span. I got out all of my crafting supplies because I definitely need to know what I have before I do any more shopping. I don't know if you guys are like me where you kind of keep shopping thinking you don't have this or that, and then you end up with a lot of stuff. So I have plenty of stuff. I'm going to use it all to decorate the mantle. We're going to do some outside. We're going to decorate my dining room cabinet. So tons more fall DIYs planned for you guys. If you guys are just now joining me, I have been doing a huge episode of fall decor DIYs on my channel. You guys are loving it. You're leaving me so much love on my channel. So I'm going to link all of the fall DIYs down below and also some shopping videos. We are going to have the coziest fall ever. So thank you all so much. If you're new, please subscribe. I would love to have y'all here. Go ahead and click that subscribe button and the little bell notification, and we will talk to you in the next video.